If your HomePod Mini is stuck on the configuring screen and refuses to finish setup, don't panic. This is one of the most common issues HomePod users face in 2025. And the best part, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes with a method that works almost every time. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, your HomePod Mini should be fully working again. The most effective fix starts with a complete reset. Unplug your HomePod Mini from power and wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. As soon as it starts powering up, place your finger firmly on the top of the HomePod. Keep holding it there. You'll hear one beep, then a second, then a third. After the third beep, Siri will announce that the device is about to reset. The moment you hear that voice prompt, lift your finger. That completes the full factory reset and gives you a clean slate to work with. Now grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Home app. Tap the three dots in the top right, go into Home Settings, and create a temporary new home. This doesn't need to be fancy. It's just a quick workaround to avoid the glitch that caused the original setup to freeze. Once your HomePod Mini connects to this temporary home, tap the three dots again and go to Software Update. Wait a moment for it to check for updates. If you see an update available, install it and let it complete fully. An outdated software version is one of the biggest reasons this setup gets stuck, so this step is important. After the update installs, remove the HomePod Mini from the temporary home and delete that home if you want. Then, set up your HomePod again in your main home like normal. This time, the configuration process should finally move forward and finish without freezing. And that's it. Your HomePod Mini should now be up and running smoothly. If this helped, feel free to check out more quick tech fix guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.